Hi guys, just making a quick video here how to add a club for the Cul Camps. So hopefully it's all made a foreign account first of all. Next we're going to go into profile. We're going to scroll down to your club. We're going to add another club. Okay. We're going to go into GA association. We're going to association. We're going to press it and we'll go down to the Cul Camps section. We'll click Cul Camps, County Board, Donegal, and then you select the Cul Camp that's on at the moment. So we're going down to Neve Columkill. Okay, I have Neve Columkill in already, so I've added the club, and then we're going to save the details. So we'll save it here, and then you'll be brought back to your home screen. Then we're going to scroll down, and you can add a questionnaire. So add new, select me, the club. So it'll give you the option of your own club or the Cul Camp. Select the Cul Camp, team, Cul Camps, then your no symptoms and anything like that. I understand and confirm, and then submit. Okay, and then it comes up then on my account then that I've submitted the Cul Camps. So that's going to have to be completed daily. And if anyone has any issues, feel free to drop me a message.